Alright, so on this one, given the first term and the common difference of the arithmetic sequence, we want to find the first 5 terms in the explicit formula. So here, I'm not even going to use the explicit formula. I'm going to write my first term, which is 28, and I'm going to add 10 to that 28, which is going to become 38. Then I'm going to add 10 to 38, and that's going to give me 48. I'm going to add 10 to that, and that's going to give me 58. And I'm going to add 10 to that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got one more, so 68. So these are the first 5 terms. All right? We're going to do the same thing with number 12. Number 12, our first term is 38. Our second term, so we're going to do 38 minus 100, which is going to give me negative 138 for the second term. The third term is going to be minus 100 from that, which is going to give me negative 238. The fourth term is going to be negative 38. And then the last term is going to be negative 438. All right. I think you pretty much got the picture on those, so you should be able to do 13 and 14 on your own. All right. Let's see. I think, are those the same? 3. Those are the same. Oh, I made a mistake there. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Don't worry about that. All right, let's look at these. Given the arithmetic sequence, find the common difference in first 5 terms in the explicit formula. So this is done just the same way as the other. It's just we got some bigger numbers. Let's see, 19 through 22. Given the first term and the common difference, find the recursive formula. Okay, and the first 3 terms after the sequence of the last one is given. So remember, recursive formula, we don't have the common difference. The recursive formula, our an is just going to be a times n minus 1 plus, let me go back to my formula. Go to section 2. Oops. That is under chapter 2 notes. It's going to be plus our difference. As a reminder, in the recursive formula, your d is being added to the prior term. That's all we're doing. Okay? So if I look at number 19, okay, my recursive formula is going to be an is equal to a times n minus 1 minus 1/3, because our d is negative 1/3. Okay? So, and we want the first 3 terms. So the first term, term 1, is going to be after the last one given. Okay, so we're given 1. So really we want to find 4 terms. So a1 is equal to 3/5. So we're going to take 3/5 and we're going to subtract 1/3 from it. And that's going to give me 4/5. So our next term is going to be 4/15. Then we're going to subtract 1/3 from that. And that's going to give me negative 1/15. Then we're going to subtract 1/3 from that. Whoops. That's going to give me negative 2/5. So those are the first 4 terms of this sequence. That's all we're doing on these. All right, let's see. 22 through 26, same. Ooh, this one's really fun. I'm going to do